Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace an Audi A3 key battery. First, let's gather the few simple items you'll need for this quick task. You'll want to have a fresh CR2032 3-volt coin cell battery ready. Additionally, grab a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin to help gently open the key fob. Having these items on hand will make the process smooth and easy. Now, let's prepare the key fob for opening. On the back of your Audi A3 key fob, you'll find a small button. Press this button firmly and then slide out the emergency key. This key is essential for manually unlocking your car and will also be used to help open the fob itself. Set the emergency key aside carefully for a moment. With the emergency key removed, it's time to open the key fob. Look for a small notch or seam along the edge of the fob where the emergency key was removed. Insert your small flathead screwdriver or a coin into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and twist or pry carefully to separate the two halves of the key fob. It should pop open with minimal effort, revealing the internal components and the old battery. Now for the battery replacement. Carefully remove the old battery, making sure to note which way the positive side was facing. Insert your new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up, just as the old one was. Then, align the two halves of the key fob and gently press them together until they snap securely into place. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its slot and test your key fob to ensure it's working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.